So you might be in a situation where for some reason one side of your AirPods are just not working. So sound from one of your AirPods, maybe the right one or the left one, just isn't working for some reason. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing you're going to want to do is just make sure that both of your AirPods are charged up or that single AirPod is charged. Sometimes that AirPod might be giving you some problems, so make sure that it was charged up so you can plug it in. Sometimes you might use one more than the other, but also you might want to make sure that the connectors for your AirPods are clean. The AirPods connect at the bottom and they basically charge up from the bottom, so make sure nothing is kind of stuck on the bottom of these. You can clean them off. Same thing goes for the inside of your AirPods. Look right there in that internal spot. If that spot is basically full of gunk and full of random stuff like that, you might have to go through and try cleaning that particular part out because that might end up going through and fixing the problem. Now, another thing that can be causing some issues sometimes is that your ear tips or your AirPods themselves might be having some problems here too. Maybe you have to go through and replace this ear tip or make sure there's nothing stuck in here. Sometimes it can give you muffled sound or give you a very low volume sometimes, and that can also be a problem. If that's still not working, you might have to try repairing your AirPods. So hold down the pair button of your AirPods, try pairing them back up with your particular device, and that could be another really easy thing to fix there too. So in terms of that, that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.